Hello, in front of me I've got Ford C-Max. In this video I'll show you where are the fuse boxes in this car. The first fuse box is located in the right side of engine compartment. Second fuse box is located under the glove box. To access it, you have to release these two pins and then remove this cover. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.